bacon and eggs or longsilog for breakfast. Heat oil in the pan and cook 8 eggs. Cover for desired doneness. In the same pan, add the bacon, without the need for additional oil since it renders fat. I cooked it into batches. Plate the breakfast with 1 croissant, 2 eggs, 2 strawberries, and a generous portion of bacon. Now that we're done with bacon and eggs, let's prepare the longsilog, consisting of Longganisa, sinangag fried rice, and itlog eggs. Cook the Longganisa with 2 cups of water until the water evaporates. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil. Watch the Longganisa until it becomes slightly brown. And now, let's cook the eggs. Then make sinangag, or fried rice. Then plate them. Which breakfast meal do you prefer, bacon and eggs? Or longsilog? Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my contents. Please follow me on my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.